I am the parent of Crispus LaShawn Connor, forever 21. June 16, 2023, we found him in his bedroom. He passed away from accidental fentanyl poisoning. It taught me how to honor my grief and live with my grief. Before I came to the AMC, I was lost. I didn't have no sense of who I was or what I was doing. I was angry. Then I got introduced to my inner parts of grief, and I realized I was stuck being a teenager. But through Tiffany and the sisterhood with the collective, I now know which stage of grief I'm in and when I'm there. And I also learned how to allow myself to be there. Hey, lady, that was me. Hey, lady, that's my baby. Yes, I love Sean.